Engine start.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are replacing engine mounts right side of Mazda2 2010. So this is a oil type engine mounts. So we have a new engine mounts. So the difference is having a shake into the center part of the engine mounts. So have an free play and causing noise going to front or rear. So during first gear and second gear, you can feel and you can hear the noise shaking. Okay, so have an pre-play shaking during first gear and second gear. It's also causing noise, a squeak noise. And so we can put the scissor jack under of the engine. So we put a carton to prevent scratch the oil pan. So we can lift up a little bit to make sure the label we can remove the bracket. So here's the bolt, and this is the 15mm bolt. Underneath we can adjust the scissor jack to lift up a little bit. Okay, here's the front and rear 15mm bolt, so we can remove slowly. Okay, so here's the 15mm bolt in the chassis, and here's a bracket nut in the bracket. There are 3 nuts. Okay, so let's remove and other bolts here in lower portion. So we can use power handle to loose all bolts. So this bolt is not too hard and we can loose easy. Okay, so now we can remove the center bolt into the engine mounts, 17mm. So this is very hard, and so we can lose easy because we have a power handle. Okay, so we already lose the bolt, so we can remove through hand loosen. Okay, so also here and chassis, here are the nuts. The other one, last one. Okay, so we can remove and you can lift up a little bit in the scissor jack to make sure easy to remove the bracket. Okay, here's now, so we can remove the bolts here. So the last one is all right. So here's the support of rubber. It's already broken inside, it's cracked inside, so we cannot see inside because it's disposable engine mounts. So inside has a rubber, it's already broken or cracked. So here's the new one in the right side, in the left side is the old. So have a big free play, so this is damaged, so we can change the new one, is no any pre-play. Okay, so we can start now to install. This old one is broken inside of the metal. Okay, so we can return the rubber and we can install now. So just enter the hole of the thread and bolt we can tie it in. So here we can center the bracket using the previous label of the jack, scissor jack. So easy to install like that. Just put the center bolt into the engine mounts, tight in, nuts tight in. Okay, so we are almost done. So just hand tight first, and we can tie it also in the front and rear. Hand tight first, so we can use a ratchet to make it center into the hole. So we can tie it using power handle. So it's recommended to use torque wrench much better because you can estimate the torque, and it's like very safe to use using the torque wrench. So just estimate the exact torque of this nut, 17 and 15 millimeter. So this is the 15 nut, 15. So this is 50 Newton meter. So 17 is 65 Newton meter. So let's remove the scissor jack. So we are done. So make sure all bolts are tightened and also the nuts. Okay, so no any pre-play. Alright, so we are all done. All bolts and nuts are tightened properly, and the alignment of engine is very good. Okay, we are done. So we can do now is to start the engine. Okay, here's now. So please hit the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe here my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.